Welcome. I'm excited to delve into an essential aspect of SAP Analytics Cloud with you. In this lesson, we're going to learn about data modeling in SAC. In the world of data analysis and decision-making, having a structured and well-organized approach to data is paramount. Data modeling is the process that enables you to achieve just that. By the end of this lesson, you should know what a data model is in SAC and understand the benefits of modeling your data. Giving your data structure. Models in SAP Analytics Cloud are the foundation of almost everything else. Models organize and define your data, breaking it into dimensions and measures, and can be built to meet a variety of needs. Once you have a model, the world of SAC is at your fingertips. Data source mapping. At its core, data modeling allows you to map data from various sources, be it databases, spreadsheets, web services, or other data repositories, into a unified data model within the platform. This ensures that your data is in a format suitable for analysis. Imagine seamlessly integrating data from different sources and aligning them for your specific needs. Data transformations. SAP Analytics Cloud equips you with powerful tools to transform and manipulate data within your model. From data cleansing to filtering, aggregation, calculations, and data enrichment, you have a comprehensive set of functions at your disposal. These transformations are vital to ensure data quality and relevance in your analysis. Data preparation. But it's not just about the tools, it's also about the ease of use. SAP Analytics Cloud offers a user-friendly interface for data preparation. You don't need to be a technical expert to make the most of it. With a simple drag and drop interface, you can visually design data flows and apply transformations, streamlining the process for both technical and non-technical users. Data enrichment. Data modeling isn't just about shaping data. It's about enriching it with context. In SAP Analytics Cloud, you can add calculated measures, create hierarchies, and define custom dimensions, enhancing the depth of your analysis and the clarity of your visualizations. Time series modeling. For data with a time-dependent component, SAP Analytics Cloud offers specialized time series modeling capabilities. Users can easily create time-based hierarchies, forecast data, and apply time-related calculations to analyze trends and make predictions. This is particularly valuable for industries where historical data trends and future forecasts play a crucial role. Version management. The platform allows you to create multiple versions of data models. This is incredibly useful for scenario planning, what-if analysis, and comparing different versions of data within the same model. It's a powerful feature that aids in decision-making and strategy development. Data governance. Data security is a top priority, and SAP Analytics Cloud supports data governance through role-based access to data models. This ensures that only authorized users can modify or access sensitive data, keeping your data in safe hands. Data model sharing. Collaboration is at the heart of modern business, and SAP Analytics Cloud makes it easy. You can share data models with other users or teams within your organization, ensuring that everyone is working with the same data definitions. This promotes synergy and consistency in your analytical processes. To wrap up, data modeling is the cornerstone of effective data analysis and decision-making. SAP Analytics Cloud provides a robust and user-friendly environment for shaping and enriching your data, making it accessible to both technical and non-technical users. With this tool at your disposal, you're well equipped to turn your data into actionable insights. In this lesson, we learned about data modeling in SAC. We know what a data model is, and we understand the benefits of modeling our data.